equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. This is a straightforward task that can significantly enhance the performance of your device. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by ensuring your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Safety is paramount. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle apart. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. Inside, you will see the trigger mechanism. Take a moment to inspect it for any visible damage or wear. If the trigger appears faulty, it's time to replace it. Carefully disconnect the old trigger from its housing. This may require some finesse, so use your tweezers to help pull it out if necessary. When removing the trigger, remember to note how it is positioned, as you will need to replicate this with the new part. Now, take your new trigger and align it in the same position as the old one. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely fitted. Before reassembling the handle, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the handle. A clean vacuum performs better and lasts longer. Once you've cleaned the area, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the two halves and press them together firmly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could crack the plastic. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Our team provides a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. After reassembling, plug in your vacuum and test the new trigger. It should operate smoothly without any sticking or resistance. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV14. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs upfront. Plus, with no calls and no travel required, we make it as convenient as possible for you. Thank you for following this guide. With your new trigger in place, your Dyson SV14 should be back to its best performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.